Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Blackview A53 Pro. This is the newest one, Blackview A53 Pro. In this video, we will review this smartphone. So before buying this smartphone, you should watch this video. On the back, we can see some specifications. The first thing is the screen size, 6.5 inches, HD plus and water drop screen. And second is 4 GB RAM and it can be extendable, so it could be like 7 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, and you can extend the ROM as well. This phone comes with 5080 mAh battery, and the front camera is 8 megapixel and the back camera is 12 megapixel. In this video I will do the camera test, so we would know that the result as well. So it has two IMEI numbers, so it means two SIM cards can be used at the same time. And the color is rock gray. Anyway, we will unbox the phone and let's see what inside the box. Alright, on the first layer we have the phone, which is gray, or I think it's a black, and it has this silicone cover. Looks nice, black and black, great. We put aside our phone and let's see what inside. We have SIM injector tool, some documentations, and type C to type A data cable, and then we have this Blackview adapter. Alright, so we put aside all things and let's see this smartphone. We can see two SIM cards can be used at the same time and one memory card. That's pretty good. And there's one more good news for using headphone jack. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack. That's pretty good. On the right side there are volume rocker and one power button, which can be a fingerprint sensor as well. On the bottom there's a one speaker, one type C port, and there's a one mic. Alright, I have set up the phone. Now let's talk about the back body. The back body is plastic. It looks nice. The grip is nice as well. The frame looks metal, but it's not metal. It's plastic. Alright, the phone can be standable. The phone can stand as well, and looks not bad actually. Alright, so this is the fingerprint sensor. So we can test it right now. So the speed is not that fast, it takes few seconds, so we can count. Okay, 1 2 3 3 seconds again, 1 2 3 3 seconds again, 1 2 3. All right, so it also has the face unlock. Let's see. That's fast, right? Alright, let's count. 1 2 seconds. 1 2. Nice. Face unlock is faster than the fingerprint sensor. The screen size is 6.5 inches and it is IPS LCD. The bezels are pretty good on the right and left side, but on the bottom the chin is bigger. If you compare to other smartphones, it's bigger. But it doesn't affect to using the screen. The refresh rate is 60 Hz and PPI is 270. PPI is also lower than others phone, but with this price range I think it's okay. So the speed is not bad as well. There are some applications already installed in this smartphones, such as YouTube, Translate, TikTok, and WPS Office, other stuff as well. And the most important thing, the Play Store is already installed. So this is the phone comes from China, but it made for international users. So Play Store is installed. When you use Play Store out of China, it's probably work. 4 GB RAM, you can extend 2.5 GB. Why? But outside it was 3 GB. Yes, of course. You can extend 3 GB and 64 GB RAM, and the Android is 12. It's updated, and the display size is 720/60, and camera we will talk about later. You can also do screen recording. In the display you can see there are some settings such as screen recording. You can do mic recording, device recording. I would not recommend this smartphone who wants to play games in the smartphone because the processor is not that strong. The chipset is MediaTek Helio G35 and CPU is 4x 2.3 GHz. GPU is Power VR GE8320. So I would not properly recommend these smartphones. If you want to play, you can check other smartphone from Blackview. This phone weighs around 198 grams without any back case, and this is 10-watt charger. This phone can be charged with this 10-watt charger, and if you have any other charger, yes, you can use to charge this smartphone as well. Now it's time to talk about the camera. The front camera is 8 megapixel and the back is 12 megapixel ultra wide, and one additional camera, there's unspecified what camera is it, and there is LED flashlight. Alright, so now we check the camera setting. The first is night mode, which can be 1x and 2x, and there is a video. You can record the video on 1080p or 720, and I will record 1080p 1x and 2x. It can be zoom up to like 4x by video, and the picture it could be like 4x as well. So, and the front is also 1080p, and you can also pick 720. Great. And there is a beauty on front and back both, and in the more there's a pro and portrait and panorama and mono. That's great. Now I'm going to take some samples, and it will hopefully help you to understand the camera quality.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
I'm recording the video from front camera 1080p, and it doesn't show any FPS, so I cannot say like 30 FPS or 60 FPS. I don't think so, it's 60 FPS. Anyway, I'm recording this video at my home, and now I'm next to the window. Yeah, good. And it's very dark. Yeah, hopefully this video will help you to understand the result from front camera. Cool. Now I'm recording this video from the back camera 1080p. Cool. I'm not using any external microphone, and I'm recording this video at my home, and this is my home, the guitar, the video recording, and you can zoom the video as well during recording the video, like 1x 2x 1x. And now I show you Mia baby, and this is a view from my home, 2x and 4x. This is the 4x, the last I can do zoom, and 1x now. So this is the result from back camera 1080p, and you can do the vlogging as well like this. Cool. Before ending this review, I wanted to tell you the price of this smartphone, Blackview A53 Pro. It cost $93, and it is available in 3 colors. The first color is rock gray, and second is Murky Black, and the third is Starry Blue. So you can pick one of the color between them, and the official link of this smartphone I will put in the description video, so you can check it out, the price and other stuff, if I haven't tell you in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.